Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys about how to learn to script on Roblox Studio and sort of how I learned to script as well. So basically, yeah, I'm going to teach you the best ways you can do it, how I learned, what other people do, all the good methods to learn, and not just YouTube tutorials, okay? There's a lot more ways to learn than just YouTube tutorials. So yeah, I'm going to explain that in today's video. If you guys do enjoy this video and it provides some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more awesome Roblox Studio related tutorials, okay? Anyways, let's go ahead and get started and explain sort of the methods you can learn to script, okay? Now, I've actually gotten this request a lot, okay? People always ask me, how did you learn to script? What should I do? How do I learn faster? A lot of questions like that, right? And I always say the same thing, which is it's not really black and white. There's a lot more answers than one, so I thought I'd make a video on it, okay? Anyways, I'm going to go over basically a few main ways I'd learn, and yeah. Okay, so way number one, I'd say, is learning from YouTube tutorials, okay? Now, you have plenty of YouTube tutorials online. If you go and look up, like Roblox Studio on YouTube, you're going to find plenty of tutorials, okay? So I look up here, Roblox Studio. You got plenty of tutorials, okay? People are uploading them all the time. There's plenty of tutorials. You can learn literally from scratch, but specifically my channel, I actually make videos on how to script, right? Even if you've never scripted before. So if you want to watch my videos, you can. That's probably the easiest way. If you like videos, then yes. But if you don't like videos and you want to learn by doing other things, then, there's many other ways to learn as well. All right, so that's the main way. Looking up YouTube tutorials. There's plenty of them, and they're easy to understand, easy to follow. All right. Another way I'd say is doing or reading the dev forum post. If you guys don't know what the dev forum is, there's actually a forum for Roblox called the dev forum, and basically what it is it's a forum where you can talk to other devs, meet other devs, do all that good stuff, and it's pretty cool actually. I'm gonna go ahead and show you right here my dev forum. I'm actually not logged in, but as you can see, I'm on the dev forum right here, and if you go to like latest, right, you'll see like all the posts, and you can see people here always have issues. They're always posting about like problems they have with their scripts, and people oftentimes actually help them out. You can also like even look up like beginner's guide to scripting, and you'll probably find something here. And there you go. You know what I'm saying? You got this guy teaching you something, which is cool. If you like reading more, then maybe look at this. But dev forum is awesome because if you have problems, you can always post here, and people are always going to respond to you. Like 9 times out of 10, like they'll respond. You'll get a response. Anyways, it's pretty cool that this is around. It's made by Roblox themselves, so it's awesome. Anyways, that's probably the second way, like reading the dev forum a lot, helping people out, and sort of figuring out their problems, and maybe even learning from them, which is pretty cool. Okay, another way I would say is decompiling free models, okay? Now, what I mean by that is if you have, like, free models, for example, like if I go in my toolbox here and I look up, okay, let's say I want to make a gun, right? I look up gun, all right? Right here we got gun giver. Let's say I wanted to learn how to make a gun and how to make it shoot. I mean, I don't know how. Like, I mean, I do actually, but let's say I don't, right? Like, I don't know how. Okay, well, what I do, I'd maybe look up a free model and see if someone else made it, which oftentimes someone else did. And then what you can do actually is look at their scripts, right? And then learn from them. And there's no sound effects, which kind of sucks, but this is actually nice. I mean, it's not the best gun ever, but it's basic. It gets the job done. But you know what I'm saying? If you wanted to learn from this, you could, and because you have all the scripts in here, so you can just read the scripts and learn, and kind of like reverse engineer it and learn from it, and sort of just learn to understand what's going on in the scripts. So that's pretty cool as well. I do like that. It's a good way to learn. So yeah, definitely decompiling free models. I know a lot of people learn that way. Another way is, well, this isn't really a way I'd say you could learn like from scratch. From scratch, I definitely recommend like reading the wiki, or sorry, like watching YouTube tutorials or reading the wiki. But another way you can learn is once you actually start learning a little bit of the basics is actually start creating your own project. Like think of a simple game idea, something very simple, right? Like an obby, for example. I know it's very simple, probably doesn't require much scripting at all. But just make a very, very simple game, and you can. You learn by doing, okay? Like, for example, okay, let's say I'm making this obby, okay? It's a pretty cool obby. I got this. Oh, okay. We got this. It's a cool lobby. That's the point. Okay. Obviously, it's not that great yet. We don't have like a starter area thing, but now, okay, let's say for example, this is where you start. Okay, you start right here on this blue thing. Okay, and then you got to go all the way over there to the end, and then this part right here could be the end. Okay, 1 second. All right, this could be the end. There you go. Okay, and you have to get here to win. All right, now, for example, let's say we wanted to actually save your checkpoints, right? And you don't know how to do that. You'd look up, like, on Google, right, like, how to save checkpoints in Roblox. And, like, here, I'll show you what I found. But as you can see here, you have Obby checkpoint system with saving. And then you probably watch that video, you'd learn from it, and you try to understand what's going on, right? And that's how you learn. You learn by doing and just by making mistakes and figuring out stuff along the way. And this guy's, I've never watched this video before, but I'm assuming he just teaches you how to make Obby checkpoints. Yeah, as you can see, he's teaching you, right? Which is really cool. There's plenty of free knowledge online which you can learn from, which is awesome, right? So definitely it's another way. I'd say that's the best way. Once you actually get a little bit of scripting knowledge, definitely do this. You'll learn a lot. Like, for example, what if you wanted to make like a kill part? Like how you had like on most obbies, you'll have like a red little part that like kills you when you touch it, right? Like maybe you don't know how to do that. Well, that's what you learn while you're making the game, right? You learn stuff along the way, and yeah. But yeah, definitely make your own project. Try to learn from it. It's a good way to learn, okay? Once you start learning, at least. And then just look up your issues along the way. Anyways, another way, and the final way I'd say about how to learn to script is actually learning from tutoring, okay? Now, this is sort of like one that probably costs money. But if you don't have any friends that script and you don't know anyone that scripts and you don't want to watch videos, an easy way to learn actually is tutoring. If somebody can like sit down with you, right, like from straight basics and teach you everything there is to know, or not everything there is to know, but just teach you how to script from scratch, it's going to be a much faster process than learning how to script on like YouTube videos or making your own game. But definitely you do want experience too, so I definitely recommend making your own game. But like if someone can tutor you one-on-one, it's going to accelerate your process like that. You'll learn to script like you'll pick it up very, very fast because you have someone answering every question that you have right along the way, right when you get the question, or right when you get confused, right? So it's like having a one-on-one person, and it is, that teaches you what to do. So tutoring definitely is a cool way to learn, but oftentimes, people are going to charge you to be their tutor, I guess, or people are going to charge you, or you don't have any friends that script and they can't teach you. So yeah, it's kind of crappy that's the way it is, but there's plenty of free knowledge online, so if you do want to learn, you still can. Just like I said, mentoring/tutoring is a great way to learn. And actually, people have often like said to me like, oh, can you tutor me please? Can I get like lessons from you private? Like, I don't know, like if people do want lessons, let me know, guys. If you want like a one-on-one lesson from me in the comment section below, definitely leave a comment and let me know. And maybe I'll consider doing some like tutoring. I'm not sure how much I'd charge. I mean, I have to charge something because like I don't want to waste my time, but I wouldn't charge too much probably, and maybe I consider it. I don't know, but I like my videos because it's free knowledge. I like to help people out, and that way I can help a bunch of people out at once with videos and not just one person at a time. So that's cool. But yeah, that's definitely another way. Also, guys, I actually just released a thing called members, okay? It's sort of a short plug right here, but if you guys don't know, you can actually become a member on my channel now, and basically what that means is, here, I'll show you right here. If you hit join, okay, you can see there's a bunch of different perks you have access to here. And let me pause this video, but as you can see right here, actually you can't see it, but you get a lot of perks if you become a member. There's a lot of cool things like you guys can get. Like you can become if you become a basic tier member for $1.99 a month, you can get loyalty badges. You can get custom emojis to use. You can get priority YouTube comments. So if you guys like reply, or if you guys leave a comment, I'll respond to your comment faster because it'll actually put a little badge next to your name. So I'll be able to tell if you're a member, and I'll be prioritizing your comments. Of course, you guys are supporting me, but basically the main reason why I even have members is just for extra support. I don't do this for money, honestly, but if people want to, help me out and support me and help me make more videos, and that, I'll take it. I appreciate that a lot. But other things like in different tiers, like for example, the premium tier, You get everything from the basic tier, but then you also actually get access to all the source code and the project files from the videos. So if you ever wanted to like see like the script and you don't want to like retype it or whatever, you can actually become a premium tier member, and I will give you the source code and the project files from whatever video you want, which is pretty cool. And the VIP tiers, you can join an exclusive Discord server chat, and then you can also like follow me, or I'll follow you. I mean, on Roblox. A lot of cool things. And then also for elite tier, I don't want to go too much in depth. You guys can read about this if you want. But I'll actually review your game. I'll give you like a detailed game review analysis, and I'll also even actually call with you for 30 minutes because you are paying like a decent amount of money, and I appreciate that a lot. So I'll definitely give us a call and we can talk. And I'll talk about whatever. I don't even care. But yeah. Anyway, sorry about that plug. But if you guys do want to become a member, it's a thing you can do. There's no need to, but if you do want to, you can. There's some cool perks. But anyways, that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you become a Roblox scripter. Just a lot of practicing, a lot of learning, and just know it probably isn't going to happen overnight. You got to take time. You got to be serious about it, and just know that it's a fun process. At least for me, I had fun learning, right? But actually, I guess how would I say I learned to script? I honestly learned mainly from YouTube tutorials. I watched a lot of YouTube videos, and I also made my own projects and then looked up the errors I had, and that's basically how I learned. I didn't have a mentor. I didn't have a tutor. Okay, I learned by myself. Literally, nobody was there with me. Okay, I had to learn by myself. Okay, I didn't know a single person who scripted on Roblox, and I wasn't lazy. I did what I want to do, and I accomplished it, right? And now I'm teaching other people. And the reason why I even make these YouTube videos actually is because I want to help other people just learn to script. You know what I'm saying? Because I know when I was a scripter back then, I always wanted someone else to help me, and I did. But unfortunately, like a lot of these people stopped uploading. So I don't want to stop uploading. I want to keep making videos for you guys. But yeah. Anyways, that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like always, leave a like. Okay, it helps me out. Oh geez, I just burped. Helps me out a lot. And subscribe if you're new, that way you don't miss out on any new videos. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, peace.